The last game of the group stage. This will matter a lot. Alian discussing with his team. Asher discussing with the Ed. So the last game of the group stage begins between Italy and France. This game, oh brilliant from Murtaza, brilliant fakes and turns. And now in with Alian. Incisive pass from Alian, and Alian is in. And can he get a shot away? No. Here's Alian. Oh, out by Alian. It will end. Oh, brilliant shot from Ahmed. Can this go in? Oh, so close. And here's Alian who shoots. Brilliant from Ahmed. Here's Alian. If he loses by 5 goals today, he's out. But if he loses by anything littler, it's fine. Omar with the ball in. It's nothing of it. Here's Alian now. Still Alian. Here's Alian. Ball in. Murtaza. Shoot. Oh, he scores as well. 1-0 to Italy. Brilliant dribbling this. And it's somehow still with Alian, but now they'll recover it, Umar. Here's Asher now. Should be in. Oh. Umar shoots. Brilliant off the line. Brilliant pass into Asher. Oh, Asher in. She should score. Oh, brilliant from Ahmed. Here's Alian. In from Asher. In from Alian. Murtaza. In. Oh, almost in. Alian takes it. Alian gives one in hand. Penalty. Alian will take this. And in from Alian. Does it brilliant from Italy. Here's Asher now. Still Asher. Still this bitch is on the ball. Here's Asher now. Oh, Asher still with Asher. Can he get a ball in? Stupid idiot. Oh, he gives the ball in. Here's Asher. Oh, bitch! Here's Asher. Oh, can he get a shot away? Oh, motherfucker! He can't. He's such an idiot. Asher dumbass. In the first half, this game means a lot for many teams. No. VAR check. Our decision, it's a pen to Alian. Tahil's team is out. Shahir's team is going to be third. Here's the one now. Murtaza, brilliant pass from the one to Murtaza. Oh, here's Asher. Into it! She scored! Oh, she scores! Yes, she scores! Oh, brilliant stuff from Alian. Can he get a shot away? Can he please? Yes. He cannot get a shot away. Here's Alian. Oh, here's Asher. If he misses this, fuck him. But here's Asher. Asher! No! Alian. Oh, Zoya gets it. Here's Asher now. Brilliant. Oh, brilliant from Asher. Zoya! Oh, so close. Here's Murtaza. Hey! Yellow card to Murtaza. Next time it's gonna be red. Too far for him to think about it. Per half time. Here's the one. Oh, gives it on the part to Asher. Can Asher do something over here? He shoots! Ooh, so close to being in. And now here's Asher. Pace battle between Asher and Alian. Oh, it's out by Hadi. Brilliant defending. Here is Asher now. Ball in. Oh! Almost Dhawan brought it in. Not out. Murtaza in. Gives it to Alian. Here's Alian.y. That's his Google chat ID. Here's Alian now. Oh, Zoya gets it. Oh no, she does not. Now here's Alian. Here's Alian. Oh, Asher now. In. Oh shit, Iman, what the f? Oh, it's too high. Oh, brilliant from Alian. Brilliant dancing feet. Oh! What a save from Iman. Oh, Asher, brilliant. Can he get a shot away? He does. 3-2. He shakes his head. Here's Alian. Here's Aliyan. And in towards Murtaza. What a ball! And it's in! What the hell was Ahmed doing? Oh, Ahmed! Oh! Oh, Aliyan gets the ball back. Can Aliyan get a shot away? Oh. Here's Ashar now. Gets the ball into Zoya, man. Here's Aliyan now. Here's Aliyan. Oh, brilliant from Aliyan. The dancing feet. Can Aliyan get a goal back? Oh, he does! Aliyan's team is winning! Sorry, man. Here's Ashar. Ashar. Still Ashar. Oh, Ashar. Still Ashar. Still Ashar. Ashar. Still Ashar. Zoya! Makes it 4-4! Oh, brilliant. Hand. Free kick over here. VR check. Ashar is taking against Aliyan. And oh! It's safe from Aliyan. Brilliant. Added time 3 minutes is just brilliant. He gets through everyone about twice every time. Hadi, oh. Thematically, Sahil is out of the tournament. And here's Ashar. Shoots! Oh! So close! Last minute in this game. What can Aliyan do over here? He shoots. That's what he can do. Oh, he can do way more than that. He does. Oh, he gets in. Out from Ashar. No. Here's Zoya. Here's Murtaza. Oh, so close. It's still Zoya with him. Oh, no. You took it out. But the game is over because the ball went out. No, I said last play before this. So Aliyan qualifies and Italy qualifies to the semi-final at 3rd place.